Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add dividers to your diagrams on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your diagram on Draw.io, and there are several ways how you can do this. Option number one would be to navigate to the MISC shapes feature here and to use a horizontal line. You will find it here to add it to your diagram. Now you can of course change its length and make it operate like a vertical divider, for example. Oh, in this case here it is a horizontal divider, of course. So that's option number one. Option number two would be to navigate to the UML shapes here and to select the divider. Click into it, and it is going to add a divider like this. And as with the line, straight line, you can change the length of your divider as well, for instance, and its position here. And option number three would be to use the drawing tool if you like doing this. So you will find it here at the top. Click into it and draw your line. However guys, as you can see, it's not really solid or straight. So that's option number three. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.